Alright guys, throwing out the official announcement. Tech Tip Tuesday will start next Tuesday. I have no idea what the date of that is, but it's the 30th today. So whatever Tuesday is of next week. We are going to be discussing how to replace the windshield wiper control module on 3rd gen Camaros and Firebirds. It's a quick short video, but there's some pretty important tips and tricks that can help you guys, whoever you may be. It's not relevant to all vehicles, but it is kind of specific to a 3rd gen. But that's what we're going to do for the first Tech Tip Tuesday. I have some other stuff coming up, how to replace U-joints, and there's some other stuff I got on my mind. So just want to let you know that next Tuesday will be Tech Tip Tuesday, and that's a tongue twister. And I'll have another video out working on the C3 Corvette next week. So stay tuned. We'll see you out here at American Heritage Garage.